Are you running a small to medium-sized business and you need a secure and fast converter for your social media content? I have one for you, just keep watching. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Running social media content for your business is a lot of work, especially if you're doing it all by yourself. For this reason, it's important to work with tools that will help you get your work done in a quicker and more efficient way. When it comes to converting files, what you'll need is a converter that supports all kinds of file formats, can convert files in a batch, and is very fast. The converter tool in the UniConverter 16 has all of these features and goes even further. So without any further ado, let me show you how it works and how its extra features will help your workflow. Before we begin, however, download the UniConverter 16 from videoconverter.wondershare.com. It's available for Windows and Mac computers as well. And then, when you have it open, click on the converter tool that you'll find right up here. As the next step, import the files you'd like to convert. You can easily drag and drop them or select them from your media browser. Now choose an output format either for all of these files or choose for them separately. Now here comes a feature that is very handy for quick content for your business. Right within the converter tool before converting, you can trim your video clips or crop them even. So essentially, if you have a longer video here that you're converting, you can quickly make a snippet version of it in 9:16, for instance, and have content for different platforms straight away. Two birds with one stone? Hell yeah. Alternatively, you can also add your watermarks to the video directly from here or color correct them, etc. And when you're finished with the settings, you can just select an output folder and then click on Convert All. So you see how useful this converter is? It's a multi-purpose tool that handles all sorts of converting tasks easily. Oh, and by the way, the UniConverter 16 has many other amazing features that can help you grow your business content, such as an AI image enhancer or an AI video enhancer tool. Okay, so I'll leave you with that. Make sure that you get the tool from videoconverter.wondershare.com and explore its other tools as well. You won't be disappointed, I'll promise you that. And if you are interested in more tutorials, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like as well. But that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.